The localized energy output exceeds safety parameters. A 1-kilometer exclusion zone is established around the beam impact site. The dramatic flight of the common swift at dusk highlights urgent ecological concerns.
As energy flows through the system, a significant portion is lost to heat and friction.
A comparison of ground solar, which is intermittent, versus space solar.
Assembling gigawatts in orbit. It is an unprecedented task, the greatest engineering challenge of our time.
Current costs run from $1,000 to $5,000 per kilogram.
This is the materials frontier, a carbon nanotube cable capable of reaching the stars.
Final torque applied, green light confirmed. Telemetry shows all systems nominal, Houston.
Faulty unit removed. Handing you the new module.
Confirmed. Securely latched.
As space debris approaches, the protective layers activate. The debris is pulverized upon impact with the shield. As established by international treaty, a comprehensive legal structure and regulatory framework now governs space-based power.
Warning, high energy output detected. Concentrated beam active. Risk of harm if misused. Safety protocols engaged.
Niche advantages, continuous baseload power, value proposition, differentiation.
There we go, we have power now.
Thank you so much.
We're seeing unprecedented clarity in the atmospheric readings.
The continuous operation during polar night is definitely paying off.
Policy barriers, regulatory frameworks undeveloped, governance gap, development obstacle.
Through global governance and cooperation, the ITU ensures that satellite orbits and frequency.
The dissolved oxygen levels are lower than expected here.
Yes, let's check the soil composition before we finalize the impact report.
Fossil fuels have a heavy climate impact, but a sustainability assessment clearly shows the benefits of.
The telemetry on sensor array B is still fluctuating outside the threshold.
I'm making the adjustment now.
The energy transmission is stable. Maintain phase alignment on the ground station.
These studies confirm the viability across the continent.
Excellent. Now, how do we integrate the development strategy for the African initiatives?
The risk-sharing model is clearly defined in Section 3.
Excellent. I believe we have a partnership.
Your payback period is simply too long for this market.
We can't justify the investment with this level of commercial risk.
This display shows the background levels we typically encounter. The clicking you hear confirms the device is working, but the levels are very low.
As you can see in this diagram, the long-term benefits far outweigh the initial cost.
And the safety training is included, correct?
Yes, that is absolutely correct.
We must prioritize the colonization effort for long-term survival.
We can't ignore the drought on Sector Gamma. People need those resources now.
It's a strategic necessity.
This animation shows a scenario where abundant, cheap launch capacity overcomes terrestrial energy storage limits.
If batteries don't improve, space solar offers a significant competitive advantage.
This strategy covers R&D justification, maintaining capability and knowledge, ensuring strategic readiness, and maximizing our option value.
Panel secured, Houston. Moving to waypoint 3.
Copy that. Proceeding with you.
Space solar is not just a dream. It is the tangible future we are building together.
I've assessed the projections, and frankly, the near-term viability is highly questionable. We must exercise realistic caution here.
Space-based solar power. Energy from the high frontier